In this video, we're going to look at how you can change the layout on your WordPress pages. If you've started off doing your WordPress and you've selected a particular theme and there are pictures on that theme, for example, the one I've chosen has got locally farmed organic vegetables. It's a delivery site. There's things about organic farms. These are all just part of the theme. So basically, if I want to make my professional looking website, I need to change all these and put in my own images. So I'm going to show you how to do that. When you go to your site, you may have the option to just edit. That's an option. If you can't do that, if that's not available, if you go up to the web address, if you put / and wp-admin and enter, it will take you to the dashboard. You then go to posts, sorry, not posts, pages, all pages, sorry, let's go to all pages, and you want to go to the home page. There we go. And once you get to your home page, you will then be able to click on any of these images. So the image here that you've got, you just actually click on the image, and what should come up here is a little bar where you can make certain adjustments, and you'll also have the adjustments bar over here. So this allows you to move your kind of cursor over to select the part of the image that you want to actually focus on, but you need to click on replace here. Then you can go to the upload button, but I think I've got some images that I've already selected. I want to look at, is that the one? I think is that the one? I can't see too well. I think that's the one I want. Okay, brilliant. Right, I've got it already. Okay, so I'm going to select that image, and that's my selected image. And then if I don't like the way that's composed in the shot, I can go over here, the focal point picker, and I can actually move it around so that I can get the image where I want it. You can't actually move it up and down, you can only move it from side to side, so I'm going to have it like that. And once I'm happy with that, then I can save a draft. Obviously I also want to change some of this, so I can then click on this side of the image to change the writing, and I can change any text just by clicking on it and typing in something else. So I'm just going to type in the link to my own YouTube channel, and I'm going to change the text here. So resources for creative media, film and photography. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I'm not very happy with that green colour in relation to the colour of my image over here. So what I can do over here is I can actually choose a different colour. So if I click in the box here, sorry, let's just click on the right box for the actual image here, I can change my colour settings over here. So you have to get in the right place and actually have the whole thing highlighted. And if I click on colour settings, I can then change the text colour. So I'm going to stick with white, but I could change my background colour. I could go with maybe that. Don't like that very much. That's slightly better, isn't it? Like that colour kind of goes a bit more. I could also customise my colour and go and choose another colour if I wanted to. I could maybe have something that's a bit pinker. Yeah, something like, is that better? I mean, once you choose something you like, that's absolutely fine, and that can be the choice. Go back to my text colour. Great, okay, so I'm quite happy with that. Have a look at that. I can then go down and do exactly the same thing with all of the other images. So I can go to my media library, so I'd like to actually upload a file to an area where I've created some assets for my portfolio, and I'm going to just randomly pick an image there. So that's something that I can have. Great, that's an image of a film that I want to include. I can write a caption, black box 2019, and that can be there. So I can write something here, and obviously I can change the other images here. So I can go straight to upload and upload another image. What you want to try and do is prepare, you can see here I've deliberately not prepared these images correctly. They're not the same size. It would be nice if they were all the same size. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go and change this image. So I'm going to get another image that is the right size. Let's see, I think I've got another one in here. Oh, that's not a JPEG, sorry. So you can see I haven't really prepared this. But what you really want to do is make sure you've got images that are the size you want. Quite often having square images, so crop all your images ready and then you can use them. I'm going to have to change the title for that. That's production project. And that's not an example of a new wave film. Okay, so you get the general gist of what we're doing. We're replacing all the pictures, and then of course you can replace the captions as well. So student work, yeah. So you can change everything. Going right through the page, you just click on each of the areas that you actually want to replace. Let's see if we can actually go and replace this one with, let's see if it will. Yeah, that's fine. So you can get rid of some of this stuff and just delete things like this. So basically, you know, it's time consuming, but you can add different things. When you've decided you've got everything the way that you actually want it, let's actually go and publish that. We can publish, if you're not ready to publish it, obviously you can put a date. I'm going to publish it straight away, and then I can go and actually view the page, and I can start to see what that actually looks like. So that's how you can start to change images. If you want to go back to your admin page, you just click on /wp.admin so that you can go back and start to change things. So as we said, go back to pages, go back to your home page, and I can go back and change anything else that I want.